Are humans the saviors of our planet, or are we its biggest threat? It's a question that has plagued the minds of scientists, environmentalists, and concerned citizens alike. In the grand theater of Earth's history, where do we, the human race, stand? Are we the heroes who will rescue our planet from the brink of catastrophe, or are we the villains responsible for its impending demise? Let's start with some eye-opening statistics. As of the last available data in 2021, human activities have led to a staggering increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, reaching around 414 parts per million. To put this into perspective, this is higher than at any point in the last 800,000 years. Our industrialization and reliance on fossil fuels have caused temperatures to rise, polar ice to melt, and sea levels to creep higher. But it's not just about climate change. Our insatiable appetite for resources has led to deforestation at an alarming rate, with an estimated 7 million hectares of forest disappearing each year. We've seen the extinction of countless species, and pollution has reached such extremes that there are patches of plastic waste floating in our oceans, some of them larger than entire countries. The concept here revolves around humanity's impact on the planet, which can be analyzed from two contrasting perspectives. On one hand, we have the argument that humans, through their scientific advancements and technological progress, have the potential to become the planet's saviors. On the other hand, there's the counterpoint that our activities are, in fact, the biggest threat to the Earth. Let's delve into the idea that humans are the planet's saviors. Our scientific achievements have given us the tools to understand and combat the challenges we've created. For instance, we have renewable energy technologies like solar and wind power that can help reduce our carbon footprint. Furthermore, advancements in agriculture have increased food production, potentially reducing the need for deforestation. Moreover, human ingenuity has led to the development of technologies capable of cleaning up the mess we've made. Innovative methods to remove plastic from the oceans and capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere are being explored. These developments show that humans have the potential to turn the tide and save our planet. But what if our progress isn't enough? What if the pace of environmental degradation surpasses our ability to innovate solutions? What if, despite our best efforts, we're still on a collision course with disaster? Let's switch gears and consider the viewpoint that humans are the planet's biggest threat. Despite our potential to be saviors, the harsh reality is that our actions have outpaced our solutions. The rate of deforestation continues to exceed reforestation efforts. Greenhouse gas emissions are still climbing, despite renewable energy options. The sixth mass extinction event in Earth's history is well underway, and we are the primary drivers. Consider this: over the past century, the global human population has exploded from around 1.5 billion to over 7.8 billion. This population growth has placed immense pressure on Earth's resources. We consume resources faster than the planet can regenerate them. Our addiction to convenience has led to single-use plastics clogging our oceans and landfills. But what if we suddenly reversed our behavior? What if, overnight, we collectively decided to prioritize the planet's well-being above all else? Could we still become the saviors? This brings us to the crux of the matter. The answer isn't solely determined by our capabilities, it's a matter of our collective will. If we shift our priorities, if we recognize the urgency of the situation and act accordingly, we can still be the saviors. Imagine a world where governments, industries, and individuals unite to reduce emissions, protect forests, and curb pollution. The Paris Agreement, though a step in the right direction, needs more ambitious commitments. We need to embrace regenerative agriculture, promote sustainable practices, and invest in clean technologies. If we do all this and more, we can not only halt the destruction but also begin the process of healing our wounded planet. In conclusion, the fate of our planet teeters on a precipice, and the choice is ours. Are humans the saviors of the planet, or are we its biggest threat? The answer is both, depending on our actions from this point forward. Our capacity for innovation, our scientific understanding, and our potential for positive change offer a glimmer of hope. We can become the saviors if we collectively prioritize sustainability, conservation, and environmental responsibility. The path to redemption lies in our hands, and it requires a radical shift in our mindset and behavior. Yet, the clock is ticking, and the challenges are immense. If we remain complacent, continue with business as usual, and ignore the warning signs, then we are undeniably the biggest threat to our planet. Let's be the generation that chooses to be the saviors, not the destroyers, of this remarkable world we call home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Eye Opener.